Could one click transform your brokerage account into a brand new paycheck? Today you'll discover the step-by-step blueprint real investors use to pull in over $1,000 of passive income every 30 days. Courtesy of a single ETF you may have overlooked, JEPQ. Stick around because we're unpacking the math, the mechanics, the risks, and 3 pro-level hacks to supercharge your results. Hey friends, it's Drew back on the Cash Flow Investor. Many of you seem to love videos on JEPQ and JEPI, so I spent the last 2 weeks combing through JP Morgan's fact sheets, back-testing distributions, and running option premium models. The result? A crystal-clear roadmap anyone can follow, whether you have 10 grand or $250,000. Quick favor before we dive in. Tap that like button so the algorithm sends this strategy to every income hunter out there. Ready? Let's roll. JEPQ, formerly the JP Morgan Nasdaq Equity Premium Income ETF, launched May 2022, charges a lean 0.35% expense ratio, and already commands over $12 billion in assets. It holds roughly 100 of the biggest tech-centric names, Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, and overlays them with weekly out-of-the-money call options on the Nasdaq 100 index. In plain English, the fund rents out its upside in exchange for cold, hard cash every single week, then funnels that premium plus dividends straight into your account every month. Recent trailing 12-month yield? About 12% paid monthly since inception. Each month, managers review option premiums, set new strikes roughly 5 to 15% above market, and let theta, time decay, do the work. Volatility spikes, premiums fatten, volatility chills, payout shrinks. That's why JEPQ's distributions wobble, 64 cents per share in February, 48 cents in March, 54 cents in April, but average out around that double-digit yield mark. To net $1,000 after 12 months you need $12,000 a year. Divide by a 12% yield, and the magic number is $100,000 invested. At today's price of about $49 per share, about 2,040 shares is what you would need. But what if you're not sitting on 6 figures yet? Consider some of the following mini scenarios. Mini Scenario A Starter, invest $10,000 today, which translates to roughly $100 a month. Mini Scenario B Builder, Auto, invest $750 every month. Thanks to reinvested dividends, you'd hit the $100,000 mark in a little under 8 years, even with flat share prices. Mini Scenario C Fast Track, front load $50,000, drip every distribution, and add $500 monthly. You're knocking on the $1,000 door in about 3.5 years. Based upon the most recent dividend, 2,040 shares, or about $100,000 of the JEPQ ETF, captured a $1,103 deposit on the most recent dividend payment, which was April 3rd. The prior month, $985. Swingy, but on average we're above the goal line. If this breakdown fired up your passive income game, smash that like, subscribe, and punch the bell so you don't miss the JEPI versus JEPQ head-to-head dropping next week. Drop your single biggest takeaway in the comments. Best insight wins a 1-hour portfolio review with me on Zoom. Friendly reminder, I'm not your fiduciary. This video is education, not individualized financial advice. Always do your own due diligence or talk to a pro before investing. Until next time, keep compounding, keep cash flowing, and I'll see you in the next video.